Hey everyone, it's Kendra. I'm back and my kitchen is still the same, but as you can see, I've got the coverings back there because there's a lot going on right there. It's almost gonna be done, or it's gonna be done by Friday, and then this is gonna get totally demolished. So you get one more chance to see my beautiful old kitchen. So the DIY video that I'm gonna share with you today is a detox drink that is part of the cleanse that I mentioned last time when I made those protein balls. That was from the same cleanse menu. And this is the drink that you do every single day for the whole 28 days of the cleanse. When you start off, you do it 3 times a day, and then after that, it's just in the morning. So sometimes I still do it just because I think it tastes good, and I know I'm doing something great for my body, and it's just, sometimes it's just nice to have this warm drink. So I'm gonna tell you what's in it. First, you just get a mug with water in it. Oh, this is steaming for you. I like it hotter. You like my K. If you don't have a mug with your initial on it, you need to get one. This came from Anthropology. You know that store? It's so cute. Anyway, so get yourself a cute mug, and then you want to do 1 tablespoon of Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Make sure you mix it up because it will, the stuff in there will settle on the bottom, and you want to make sure you get that. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon of that. And if you don't know what apple cider vinegar can do for you, just do a search on the internet and you'll be like, whoa, I should be using this. Yes, you should. Okay, and then now we have, and then we're gonna do 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Now again, I like the kind that is made in my local Utah, and I get this at Costco. I don't measure this so much. I just put it in. Honey's kind of a pain to measure, huh? Or when you put it on a measuring spoon or a cup, it sticks. So I don't usually measure it with this, especially when you're doing it every morning. I just kind of eyeball it and then I stir it up. Now you're gonna do 1 drop of ginger oil. Good for your tummy. So 1 drop of that in there. And then 2 drops of lemon oil, or however many fall out, it's gonna be fine. But usually 2 is good. And then just a very small dash of cayenne pepper. And that's because cayenne pepper curbs your appetite. You know, right? So that's it. Then you just stir it up and you enjoy it. Have a great day. I'm going to taste it for you guys so you can see that I really drink it. Perfect. All right, have a good one. Let me know if you guys make this. See you later.